The three most important measures to reduce energy consumption in a building is use heat recovery on ventilation, exchange the window, and insulate the house.
The most important for municipalities when they want to launch e-mobility management is to have a strategy. It's also very important to have cooperation with the different stakeholders.
The three most important facts for heat planning in municipalities is to find out how much district heating should be in the system. It's also to find out how much district cooling can be combined with the district heating system. And for the third fact is to find out how you can develop and find sources for heat pumps to incorporate in the district heating system.
The most important thing for a city to have a successful green governance in the city is to have a strong collaboration between the opposition and the majority among the political parties. It's also very important to have long-term strategy with measurable goals, and we can also encourage to have international and national collaborations and networks.